I've never really sharpened it till now. Still the stock edge. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll use this Ikea's utility knife to make a crunchy, spicy salad from lotus root. Spicy is because we are going to use ghost pepper in it, and it'll also be crunchy because the lotus root is naturally crunchy. I think this knife will be perfect to make something like that because this is lightweight and it feels great to hold and do small prep work like this. So for the salad, you need to make it, the lotus root is supposed to be as thin as possible. See, I think this is thin enough. This knife is really perfect to do this kind of delicate work. For people who don't know, it's cutting lotus root is not as easy as cutting a cucumber or cutting some other soft vegetable. It's not the easiest vegetable to cut, is what I'm trying to say. One more thing is I've never really sharpened it till now. So this is still the stock edge, and it's performed really well. I did strop it. That's why you see that's why you see that the edge is shining so much. But I have not really sharpened this till enough. Really handy knife, perfect to do delicate work like this.
Vanilla seed.